Okay, let me go over this resource and how I'm utilizing it. So when you first get this resource, it's going to say that it's restricted. So the way I'm sharing this out is I'm changing it from restricted to anyone can view, and I want to keep it on view because I don't want anyone getting in here and editing it. And now I'm going to share it to Google Classroom. Create material. So you want to give it a title, go back, grab the link from the slideshow by clicking copy link, insert the link into the material. That is view only because you don't want them to be able to edit it. They only want to be able to click on it and then click post. I like to use the first slide as a way to focus the lesson. So the link to the assignment is one of the assignments that I'm using from Google Classroom. So I click the three little dots, copy link. I come back, I press Control, then K, or you can press the little infinity sign up there to insert a link on the little transparent box that's there and paste them in. I use Control V, so every time you see me pasting throughout the video, I'm using Control V. Now when the students click on the transparent box, it will bring them right to the assignment when they use the link. When viewing the assignment, view it in fit for the students. If you zoom out, it's going to be kind of an issue because there's some stuff on the sides for the teacher. There are some different kinds of fonts with some different kinds of colors over here for you to choose. This next part is crucial and essential when you're using this slideshow. So as you can see, my cursor is up in the top right, and you can actually slide your window off your screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull it out to expose extra space on our Google Slides. As I move on to the next slide, you will see a bunch of different hidden items that you, the teacher, can utilize. Now, I don't mean to sound like a broken record, but dragging the window 90% off the screen and extending it out exposes so much usable space that we can use. So I'm just going to resize this back to normal. And I just want to reiterate that this needs to be viewed in fit because I do like to go off the page. As you can see, maybe not on this one, but on this one, I have a little bit of extra. And when you fit it, it looks perfect for the students. So the second slide is a way to organize assignments from Google Classroom. I use the puzzle pieces as objects to click on that take the student right to an assignment so that they don't have to go searching for it. So real quick, I want to show you how I get links to these puzzle pieces. So on the classwork page, if you click the three dots, you see copy link. You copy the link and you pop back over, you hit the puzzle piece, press Command K or Control K, and then Control V to paste and enter. So when you pop back over, you go to the three dots, you click copy link, you pop back over, you click on the puzzle piece, press Control K or Command K, depending on if you're a Mac, Control V, and enter. Now your assignments will be linked to your puzzle pieces. And we're just going to name these assignments real quick. Now when you zoom out to 50%, you're going to see a bunch of different icons of different programs for virtual learning or remote learning. I put links to their home pages on all these icons, so if you don't know what it is, you can explore it, and I put a label next to it. So the icons I use as a way to identify the assignments, and I also use them as a way to track what assignments are being done by the students, and I'm going to show you that right now. So when you extend your window to the right and expose all the space, what you're going to find are weekly trackers that you can have for your students if they're working in a small group. What I do is I just take the icons from the assignments, I rewrite the assignment from the text box, and I'll even go as far as to take the link from the assignment and put it on that icon so it's easier for me to grade. If you click on the heart, you're going to find a link because April is Autism Awareness Month. We have a list of famous people who have lived their lives with autism, and maybe you can read one person a day. This page is for big time assignments where you can list maybe some projects. And what I'll do is I'll take the icons from the other page, paste them into here, name the assignment for whatever type of assignment that the project may be. I'll go back and I will give that icon a link so the students can get to it. Over here on the right, if you click on the Earth Month picture, it's going to bring you to a website because April is Earth Month that you can share with your students. So I use this page as a self-evaluation tool for me and the students. You can just simply ask them how they're feeling about it, whether they're green, red, or yellow. Make sure your topic is up there so they know what they're doing. Write their names on there. And you can just ask them and move the icons. Otherwise, you have to change access, change the link, refresh the page, give the new link out that's copy-pasted, and just make sure that you're closing out this document so they can't drag and ruin what you've been doing and everything that you've set up. So you don't want to have them have access to this, but if you do give them access to it like this, then what you'll be able to do is have them come on and move their icons themselves. The last slide is a virtual learning toolbox. For example, if you click on the icon speech to text and you talk, it will write down what you're saying. So this is for students who may not be able to type that fast and can just speak, copy, paste. Now they can take that text and copy it anywhere. For example, like our text-to-speech website, where I can take that text, paste it in, and it'll read it to me.
So this is for students who may not be able to type that fast and can just speak copy-paste.
And there are some other options here for other languages. It will read it in other languages for you.
So this is for students who may not be able to type that fast and can just speak copy paste.
You can speed it up and slow it down.
So this is for students who may not be able to type that fast and can just. So this is for students who may not be able to type that fast and can just speak copy paste.
It has a dark mode option and a bunch of other different features that you can explore at any time. Next is a video for the students on how to do split screen.
You can see I have two tabs open. One is for Google Meets, the other is for Kahoot! To put your pin in. The first step you need to do, now I have two different tabs. Now here's a quick shortcut. What you can do is you can go over to this maximize button, and then they are side by side, and you should be ready to go. Thanks, guys.
This is how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook. How to speed up and slow down YouTube videos, like we should be doing with this one because it's 8 minutes long. One of my favorites is the keyboard's shortcuts page. Everyone needs this page. Keyboard shortcuts save lives. This is a quick video on how to show the students if they want to watch a YouTube video while they're doing an assignment. It'll show them how to hook that up. That'll do it. Thanks for watching.